A piece of shit. I don't know how it's so efficient at cleaning too, because it like doesn't go in straight lines or anything. It just like goes V's everywhere. Well, let me go back over to where I came from. I could have got that section done first, or I could do it last before I dock, but no. Let me just fucking V over here real fast. Look at this piece of shit. Roomba fucking sucks. Roomba fucking sucks. Fuck Roomba. Let's see if I can go get stuck again. Oh, it sees my foot. It's going for me. Fucking bitch.